You look busy setting the place and camera on a tripod. What are you going to do?
I'm going to have photo shoots of my products.
I see. Let me help you.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
My pleasure. So, please tell me what I can do.
Please help me bring my products in the boxes.
Sure. Wow, will you capture all these items?
Yep. I will build online shops in several marketplaces, so I have to upload the pictures of my products.
You must be busy. I will help you set the products.
Thank you.
No big deal. I hope you can achieve success in your business and be wise in managing your time for studies and business.
Thanks. I will do the best for both.
Great.